Hello, it's Abby from Volkswagen Van Centre Oldham, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transport Sportline 2.0 TDI 204 PS, and it currently has around 21,000 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning pure grey finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with a VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And you've got stunning wheels which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the van. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful dual mirrors do fold when unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting of the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features. And around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our headlights there, ensuring that those are in the correct times, alongside the controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. Once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage, whilst we're on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route, and you can also show this up on your cluster, making it easy and safe for you to use. And with this van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and the rear view camera ensure safety. And finally, over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have our front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cozy driving experience, especially on those cold winter days.